Make animated content at any topic. Go to openpeeps.com. Here you can make any type of animated content. You can edit anime with even feelings and emotions. Select any character. Start editing. You can make these social contents like this. Click Use with Blush. You can find different templates like education, food, technology, lifestyle, work, finance, and etc. Like I am looking for educational animated templates, here are the options. Looking for work templates? Here are the options. You can change character type, emotions, and pattern. Editable and downloadable, easy to use. Make animated content easily. Follow us.